Hi, I'm Bill Cook, University of Arizona Cooperative Extension in Greenlee County. Today we're out here messing around with potting soil. We're doing some mixing. We're talking a little bit about pots. And we just thought it'd be good to do just a little demonstration on some mixing. We do have a recipe list to choose from. A little bit of explanation in another video about shopping for components, that sort of thing. So here's what we're going to do. It's time of year to start some cuttings, so we're going to start filling some pots and getting ready to start some cuttings. So that particular blend involves 3.5 parts of coir, which has been expanded from the block. So parts, I measure everything in parts. Well, a part can be a shovel if that's what you have in your hand. It can be a bucket, it can be a pot, it can be a pickup bed full or a loader bucket, as long as all the parts are the same. So I'm going to put 3.5 parts of this coir in this tub. 2, 3 and a half. There we go. So there's the 3.5 parts coir. This is 1 part of screened pumice, which I have used screened cinders as well, but I'm interested in trying this pumice to see if it works any better, so we're kind of going to be experimenting. And then, of course, 1 part of finished compost, meaning that it is completely composted or very near to it. There's a few sticks left in it, but for the most part, it's done. And then we just, simple enough, we just mix the heck out of it. And there you have it. So then the next thing we'll do is we'll put this in a nursery bucket. And then I like to just pat it down a couple of times. If it's a little too low or a little too high, you can adjust it. If it's too low, add a little. But I compact it just about that much. Leave just a little room for water, because whenever you start a plant net, sooner or later you'll need water. And then we give them a good soaking. So whatever you're using your potting soil for, always get it wet before you use it. And here we have a cuttings mix. This is going to be used to root cuttings, grapes, pomegranates, that sort of thing. And you're set. Whichever purpose your soil is, choose from our recipes and you're good to go.